Alright guys, so today we are going to be demoing and reviewing the Gucci Poudre De Beaute Clat Soleil. I know I butchered that. Long story short, the Gucci powder, bronzing powder. So this packaging is the standard Gucci packaging, at least that I have seen with their lipsticks. And then when you open your package or your product, your bronzer comes packed in a sleeve, which is a nice soft velour-like pouch. And then the actual product itself. This is such beautiful packaging and the detail is really stunning. Look at that. Oh, I love it so much. So the shade that I picked up was number 3, and honestly this was so difficult. I saw it on Sephora and there weren't any real descriptions about the shades or, you know, who would benefit from getting what shade. You just kind of had to look at the pictures and guess. So when I looked, I was between 3 and 4, which was like the medium and the tan. And I ended up going with the medium. It looks like this, which I'm so glad I picked up the medium because I think the tan would have been too red for me. And the packaging again is stunning. The actual product itself is embossed with the Gucci name, and then also it has the same pattern that the back has. It has a really nice mirror, and then you lift this part, which to be honest with you, this can be a little tricky. You lift this part and then you have this really nice shiny back, which you can use as a mirror. And then inside you have the brush, which I would never use. It feels really soft and the bottom is also reflective. So you're getting this really beautiful packaging, and there's a little hole there for you to pop out your bronzer and just replace the bronzer. Now, it's sold out. It is sold out. I have tried to find it for you guys and it's gone. Like even if I pull up my purchase, if I click on it, I get this item is no longer available or can't be found. So this retails for $62 and it's supposed to be a luminous bronze finish. From what I could see, it doesn't really have like glitter or anything, but we'll see when we apply it to the face if there's like a sheen. It does have a fragrance. It's very much floral. It doesn't bother me. I just got some on the tip of my nose. It doesn't bother me, but I know when I first opened the package, it just hit me. I'm like, whoa, there's a heavy fragrance to it at this point. It's there, it's light. I don't detect it. So we are going to jump into the demo. I'm going to be using this brush. This is a Royal and Langnickel contour brush. It's a nice, soft but dense brush. And then the other brush we're going to use is this 05 Refer brush. So let's just get into this. So on this side we'll use my Royal and Langnickel. Alright guys, so I've applied the bronzer obviously on this side of my face and it looks so good. It looks really beautiful. You can't see it. Like you can't detect where the placement is. I mean, obviously you can, right? But when you look at it, it just looks like I have a really nice tan. It's not obvious. Like it looks so good. Let's do the other side. I feel like I almost like the density of the Royal Langnickel brush. So I'm literally just pressing the powder into it because I find that if I drag, that there is some kickback. And guys, this bronzer is $62. I ain't trying to lose any product. No, I definitely like the way it looks with the Royal Langnickel. So we're gonna just go in and touch up with that. I just feel like with the Royal and Langnickel brush, it looks diffused. I'm gonna take a little bit and just hit the sides of my nose. lids. Wow. I love this bronzer. Love it. All right, guys, if you are wondering, it's happening on my lips. This is a melted matte liquid lip by Too Faced. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm using it with a Smith 230, and I'm just going to lightly take this into the crease just to kind of add a little bit of bronziness to the lids. This is what it looks like. I look like I have a natural tan. I love the way that this looks. And for those of you that might be wondering, on my skin today, I have on the Armani Luminous Silk in 7.75, and I use my Boing Concealer by Benefit in the shade number 8. I love this bronzer. I love the way it looks. I feel like on days where I just want to bronze my complexion and don't really care to contour or add any contrast, where I just want plain, not even plain, where I just want a really nice natural looking bronze, this is it. I love the way that this looks. It is very soft. It's definitely just very natural looking. I can probably build it up to get more of an intense bronze look, but this looks like what I tan like. I think that if this were to come back in stock anytime soon, I would probably get the deeper shade just to have for when I am a little bit more tan, because when I have a nice tan, this is what it looks like. When I really tan, then I'm more of a red brown versus a golden brown. But I have to say that I'm loving it. I love the way it looks. I feel like I've been outside and that I got a little bit of sunshine, and it is absolutely stunning. Now, let me just give you guys a heads up here. If you are sensitive to fragrance, you may not like this. The brush still smells like the bronzer. I don't smell it on my face anymore, but there is very much a presence of a fragrance. I just got it on the tip of my nose again. The packaging is stunning. I was waiting for them to release their face powder because I really wanted the compact. I mean, it's stunning. If you guys want to see more pictures, you guys can go on my Instagram. My handle is down below. This way you guys can check it out, because I really did try and take pictures to show you how beautiful the packaging is. The packaging alone is stunning, and really for $62 it better be. It has a nice weight to it, like it doesn't feel cheap. The brush, I mean, it's nice to have the brush, but honestly, like, I think they could have done without it, but the packaging is stunning. I mean, look at that. I wouldn't use the brush only because I've tried other products with similar brushes and it's just not going to do anything. If you maybe want to touch up, you can probably do that, but I'm not somebody that carries my bronzer with me. I don't find a need. So for right now, it is 12 p.m. I am going to come back at the end of the day and show you guys what this bronzer has worn like, because I'd like to see how it wears. I want to see if, you know, it starts to fade and it looks like I don't have anything else on my face, or if it maintains this really pretty bronzy finish. So if you guys want to see what my final thoughts are, then let's go. All right, guys, it is now 6 p.m. and I've had this on for over 5 hours, and I went outside. It's hot, it's 90 degrees in Chicago, and I also took my son to the doctor and we both had to wear masks. What I am finding is that this looks more like skin. It doesn't look like I have on makeup. It doesn't look like I have on a ton of bronzer. It just looks like I've been kissed by the sun. I really love the way that this looks, and let me tell you guys, I have gotten really good at mastering makeup for masks and even sunglasses, because look, You guys can see where the little indenture is for the nose pad, but that's it. My makeup is good, it's on, and I'm happy with the way it looks. This is what I'm gonna tell you guys. It is a great bronzer. It is beautiful. It looks like natural skin, and I will continue to wear this throughout the day, and if for whatever reason I don't like it, you will see it in the information section down below. But so far, what I'm going to tell you is that I love it. I think it's a really beautiful bronzer. It is really expensive. I don't know how much it'll cost to get the refill pan. I don't know when that's going to launch. I don't know when these bronzers are going to restock because they're sold out. Also, I really do love the way that this looks. I think it is very natural looking. It's great if you don't like fragrance, if you have a very sensitive skin and fragrance irritates it, you're not going to like this bronzer. This is just a really beautiful, natural looking bronzer that has a heavy fragrance. The packaging is stunning. The price is hefty. For $62, you're getting 0.42 ounces, and the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer, which you guys know I really love also. This you're getting for, this is high up there in price also, but you're getting more product in this. You're getting 0.56. I don't know when any of these will launch their refill pan, but here you really are paying for the packaging. You are paying for a beautiful compact that is very luxe, that almost looks like belongs in some kind of antique shop. Like, this thing is really beautiful. I like the way it smells, but and I don't have an issue with fragrance. I wish I knew what it was because I would like to smell like this. All right, guys, that is my review. Again, if there's any kind of negative feedback, I'll leave that down below. I'm going to wear this for the rest of the night. I'm also going to wear this as I work out, but it looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to like this video as it does help my channel grow. Please, 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 please. And also subscribe if you haven't done so already, and make sure that your little notification bell is on because I upload 3 videos a week and I don't want you to miss them. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you've tried this or what your thoughts are on this beautiful bronzer, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.